holiday hacks, fun and creative plans for your long holiday break. Hey there, holiday lovers! Stuck wondering how to spend your long holiday break? Don't worry, we've got a toolkit of hilariously fun plans that'll keep boredom 100 miles away. Whether you're rocking matching pajamas or wearing mismatched socks, these ideas are sure to turn giggles into memories too. Family game nights are classics, but we're here to level it up. Turn your living room into a competitive arena. It's Monopoly meets Ninja Warrior. Well, minus the ninja part. Pretend there's a trophy, read leftover cake, and watch Grandma unleash her UNO draw for revenge on everyone. Board games not your thing? Try goofy charades and let Uncle Bob act out dancing flamingo. Warning, excessive laughter might cause hiccups. Who needs high-budget events when you can host your very own holiday Olympics? Set up tough events like ornament bowling. Yes, use ornaments as bowling balls, or candy cane javelin throw. Winner gets, a candy cane. Even toddlers can join the talent show category. Watch as Little Timmy's Jingle Bells remix steals the spotlight. It's all about the spirit of fun, not skill. Timmy, keep remixing. Netflix and chill? Nah, we're talking Rudolph and popcorn thrills. Set up a cozy home theater, blanket forts highly encouraged. Curate a lineup of holiday classics, from hilarious mishaps in Asterisk, Home Alone, Asterisk, to heart-melting Asterisk, The Polar Express Asterisk. Don't forget snacks galore, hot cocoa for the kids, and a laid-back vibe that makes parents say, "This counts as productive parenting, right?" You don't have to hop on a plane to have an adventure. Pack a thermos and explore a local park or brave the snow for a makeshift sledding adventure. Bonus points if you make snow angels or build a snow family. Dog included, obviously. No snow? Plan a family scavenger hunt. Hide items like candy treats or silly notes, and watch as kids morph into expert detectives while parents accidentally keep forgetting clues. DIY crafts don't need to end with glitter taking over the house. Keep it simple. Think handmade holiday cards, snowflake decorations, or creating holiday ornaments from things lying around the house. Parents versus kids craft off? Game on! Let the chocolate-stained judges, read toddlers, crown the winner. As they say, the messier the crafts, the holly jollier the vibe. Channel your inner celebrity chef and hold a family bake-off competition. Bake sugar cookies, cupcakes, or your traditional family recipe. Warning, cookie decoration wars might get heated when someone eats Santa's hat frosting. Not a baker? No problem! Turn random kitchen disasters into Instagram-worthy bloopers. Who cares about perfect cookies when you've got memories of baking chaos? Make each day special with quirky themes. Try Pajama Party Day, where everyone wears their wackiest PJs for karaoke marathons, or Royal Dinner Day, where kids become kings and queens, and parents must serve chocolate milk in goblets. These low-cost, no-fuss ideas bring big smiles and endless fun, making every moment of your holiday break unique. Here's a wildcard idea. Try doing nothing. Yep, embrace the holiday break by lounging, reading, or having a family napathon. Recharge your batteries because asterisk doing nothing asterisk counts as productive holiday planning too. Remember, you don't always need a big plan. Sometimes the best memories come from simply being together. There you have it, your guide to holiday hilarity and good vibes wrapped in one. If you laughed, got inspired, or found your next plan here, it's time to return the favor. Hit like, smash subscribe, and support our channel for more fun ideas. With your help, we'll keep the tips and giggles flowing. Share this video with someone who needs a splash of holiday magic. Happy holidays!